So the business was formed in 1987 by my dad, Dan Culleton, and his business partner, Martin Butler. We're here at the site here since 1987. At BC, we're cheese process specialists, offering a wide range of solution for grated, sliced and block cheese in retail and food service portions. So our relationship with MULTIVAC has stretched over 35 years. The first machinery that we bought in 1987 was a MULTIVAC Thermoformer. Over the years we've added various MULTIVAC lines to the processes, and we're extremely happy with the service and maintenance of these machines and performance over the years. With the installation of the S800, we are now achieving excellent yield performance from the slicer, with giveaway under 1% and off-cut generation under 5%. When looking at the slicing project, we had issues around space. The MULTIVAC engineers were exceptional. They came in and took over the project in terms of line measurements, additional modifications that had to be made, and the whole thing worked very seamlessly. In addition to the yield benefit from the S800, we're also able to double our throughput on the line with less manual intervention. One of the great advantages of working with MULTIVAC is the response time from their technicians. Every hour of downtime in our industry can be very costly. Having the engineers on hand, available, in a very quick response is vital. Over the last 35 years, our relationship with MULTIVAC has gone from strength to strength, and we look forward to seeing what innovation they bring to our industry in the future.